Hi there, folks, and welcome to this week's Word Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 104. Okay, so of the top artists whose works fetched the highest amounts at auction in 2017, just 1 in 8 of them were women. So we've to write this figure as a fraction, decimal, and percentage. So 1 in 8 obviously is a fraction, is 1 over 8, as in an eighth. Now, how we change this to a decimal is we can either do 1 divided by 8 in a wee sum, or we can recognise that an eighth is half of a quarter, so it's a half of 25%. Either way you do it, you're going to get as a decimal 0.125. Now, to change this into a percentage, of course, we multiply by 100, so that's going to be moving everything up 2 place values, so that's going to come to 12.5%. So part B, we've got a wee puzzle. So Leonardo da Vinci was the most produced the most sales for any artist. So how much more did he make than the 5 top selling female artists combined? So obviously, first of all, we've got to add up all these amounts, which comes to 131.3, and then we just need to take that away from 337, and then of course answer the question in its context, in other words with a pound sign and with the word million after it. So 205.7 million. Okay, so onto our food story now. So KFC now are announcing that they're going to be cutting calories in their new menu. So a fillet tower burger currently contains 620 calories. So how many calories would it contain if it had 20% removed? So we need to work out 20% of 620 first of all. The easiest way to do that is to divide by 5. You could also do 62 times 2 if you wanted to as well. So that comes to 124. Then we need to take that away from the 620 to get an answer of 496 calories, which is exceptionally high still, but I suppose any improvement is welcome. Okay, so on to story number 3 now. So there's a rumour going around that people are going to have to pay more to sustain the NHS. So 9 pence for every pound in income tax. So the average UK worker has to pay £219 per month for income tax. So how much extra would they need to pay? Well, for every one of those £219, they've got to pay an extra 9 pence. So first of all, 9 pence written as pounds is 0.09, and we need to multiply that by the 219. So that would be a potential tax rise of £19.71. From a personal point of view, surely that's a wonderful thing to spend our money on, is the NHS. And at the end of the day, if it does need more to run, I think we all still get a pretty good deal out of it. So on to our last story. I don't know if you remember the Beano. I certainly do. So there's now this big exhibition up in Dundee to honour to celebrate the 80 years of the comic. So when it was first published, it only cost 2 pence, so that's how much the first edition cost. But in a recent auction, a first edition sold for 865,000 times 2 pence. So how much did it sell for in auction? So 2 pence written as pounds is 0.02, and then we multiply by 865,000, and that gives us a total auction sale of £17,300 just for a comic. But this one went for a special amount of money because it actually came with a colour leaflet celebrating the fact that it was the first edition. But anyway, folks, there you have it, our Word Solutions for this week. Hope you got on okay with these, and stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories for the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.